Hi. So next Sunday we'll be making models, right? So the materials to be brought for making models, one is of course the mount board or the file card, right, with which to make models. You'll be cutting this with a cutter. So cutter is the next instrument. You'll be cutting this on a cutting mat, not on the floor, because if you cut on the floor, the cutter's edge will get blunt very soon, and you'll have to keep changing the blades, right? In order to stick the mount board or file card, you will need some gluing materials. That will be Fevicol SH, not MR. MR is for paper, very loose, and SH, Fevicol SH is what carpenters use, right? So your mount board models will be long lasting, right? And also you need to get the right angles correctly, you will need set squares. So get the bigger set squares, and those will be typically acrylic set squares. And in order to cut the file card or mount board, you will need a steel ruler, right? The 1 foot long steel ruler, right? So also, as an added thing, get your color pencils so that we'll be able to distinguish between the front elevation, etc., etc., right? So see you next Sunday. Happy model making. See you.